Hello my friends, my family, and my followers. It's Hike360 here. I'm here to give you a new hike this week. Hello my friends, my family, and my followers. It's Hike360 and Mary Nell.
Hi.
Here to give you a new hike this week. We made it to Petrified Forest National Park in Arizona, and we are here to explore the different things that it has to offer. And the first thing that it has to offer is the painted desert, which is what we're looking at right now. The bands are a good way to tell the time in millions of years, from the oldest being 220 million years old to the newest being like 200 million years old. So it's some old rock formation. Got some more really beautiful views of painted desert. And this place is heavy in iron, the mineral iron, and that's what's giving the orange hue to it. But the colors can change based on what mineral is present. Hello, we are making our way through Petrified Forest National Park, and we are stopped in at the Puerco Pueblo, which is a part of the park that has preserved the rooms that the Pueblo people of 1200 AD made. They could house about 100 of their people in it, and do life there. Why I'm pulling out the video though is because we're in front of a rock that is the summer solstice marker. So they were able to grind and identify when the longest day of the year was. All right, so in front of me is the Puerco Pueblo. So I said earlier that it was host of 100 people. What I actually meant to say was that it has 100 rooms. And so you can see right in front of me kind of where those rooms were divvied off. And it was just this area right here in front of me. All right, so we are at Blue Mesa. And if you look, there's blue hues to the rock formations that I have not seen anywhere else. I've seen close to it. They talk about, these are badlands. So I've seen kind of the gray and, um, lighter colors at like Badlands National Park and Theodore Roosevelt National Park. But I've never seen like the darker, like blue, lavender, gray band, which I'm seeing. Got some more Blue Mesa. Oh yeah.
I think this is a baby
Banana yucca?
baby banana yucca.
Hell yeah. That's my newest favorite plant. Yucca? Is a yucca a plant? It's not a tree.
Trees are
Word.
plants. It's a wide category.
Cool. So, in case I haven't said it yet, the reason that there are all these fossilized trees at, where are we? Petrified Forest National Park is because 217 million years ago, when the world was one supercontinent, Pangea, there was a subtropical forest. So this was, compared to the equator back then, this land right here would be equivalent to like Costa Rica and the environment that you find in Costa Rica. And these have just been fossilized and untouched trees and logs that came from that long ago, which is really impressive.
And now they're practically stone. They are stone.
Yeah.
That
They're
is cool.
they're heavy. They're heavy. So right now we're at the Agate Bridge, and it's just a really long piece of log that's fully fossilized, and that's what's in front of me. Show 'em, Mary Nell. And what is the sign? Say it again. Agate. Yeah, the process, because I thought agate was a crystal, and so I asked the ranger. I was like, you know, uh, agate's. I was like, agate's a crystal, right? And she's like, no, agate is like the process, or agatation is the process in which it fossilized.
Yeah, it goes from tree to rock. It absorbs the minerals from the water and basically turns into stone.
Yeah, because the water, when because it was all buried, I'm pretty sure, and it was so it was under the surface, and water soaked its way, found its way into these logs and fallen trees, and uh, and it was through the water seeping into the logs and the minerals that the water carried that crystallized them into quartz. That's because that's what they all are. They're quartz, and made them and fossilized them.
And in case we haven't mentioned it, this one is 110 feet long. It's a big tree. That's a big agate.
That's that prehistoric tree. Yeah.
Well, 110 foot long trees, but
All right. That's what we got for you right now at the Agate Bridge. Peace.